These natural-born mountaineers make it look like a walk in the park, but imagine what it's like for a kid going up there for the very first time. He has no choice but to follow his mother. A fall would mean certain death. But step by step, he discovers he has an amazing grip. The higher he goes, the more vertical the face. Now his survival depends on his innate superpower. Soft, rubbery soles mold around even the tiniest ridges, locking them inside the hard edge of the hoof. He balances every step on a knife edge. It's exhausting work for one so young. Just in time, his mother notices. She gives him a chance to recharge. A 5-minute power nap. 150 feet up. Finally, he reaches his goal. 20% of concrete contains salt, and water seeping through the dam brings it to the surface. It may not look like much, but this mineral lick is crucial for the kid to grow up strong. Muscles and nerves replenished, his epic ascent is complete.